Okay, sir. Good morning, students. My name is Papa Ongala PGT Chemistry. Today we will discuss about haloalkanes and haloarenes of class 12. In previous class, we have discussed about the introduction of haloalkanes. Once more, recall it, introduction of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. In this name, two words are there. One is halo, second one is alkanes. Halo stands for halogen. Second one is alkanes. That means the haloalkanes are derived from alkanes. The haloalkanes are derived from alkanes. Already you know what are the alkanes. The general formula of the alkane CnH2n plus 2. According to this formula, one carbon is there to form the alkane CH4. If two carbon is there, C2H6 methane. If three carbon is there, C3H8 propane. The structural formula of the methane, this one is structural formula of methane. Here, one hydrogen or more than one hydrogen is replaced by any halogens to form a haloalkanes. One hydrogen or more than one hydrogen replaced by halogens like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are the halogens. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are the halogens. This hydrogen is replaced by any halogen atoms to form a haloalkanes like this. CH3Cl, chloromethane. This is the haloalkane. Haloalkanes. Next one is C2H6 ethane. The structural formula ethane. This one is the structural formula ethane. This is the structural formula ethane. In this formula also, if one or more than one hydrogen atom is replaced by any halogen atoms like Br to form a new compound CH3CH2Br. Name of this compound bromoethane. Clear? These are the examples of haloalkanes. That means the haloalkane is formed by the replacement of hydrogen, one or more hydrogen atoms replaced by the same number of halogen atoms to form a haloalkane. This is the introduction of haloalkanes. The next one is haloarenes. The haloarenes next one is haloarenes. Halo stands for halogen, arene stands for aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons, example benzene. Already you know the structural form of the molecular form of the benzene C6H6. The structural form of the benzene, this one is a benzene. Each corner having one carbon atom like this. Carbon. Each carbon atom having one hydrogen like this. This is a C6H6. 6 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 hydrogens. C6H6. This is the formula of the benzene. In this formula also, if one hydrogen or more than one hydrogen replaced by any halogen atoms like chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. This is the halogens. Then one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by halogen atoms to form a haloarenes like this. अगर हाइड्रोजन डिलीट होके ब्रेक होके इनका प्लेस में अगर क्लोरीन ऐड हो जाएगा तो फॉर्मूला बनता इस तरह बनता है. Okay, this is the chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. This one is example of haloarine. Haloarine. Okay, haloalkanes and haloarenes you know very well. I think that. Now the uses of halogen compounds. The halogen containing organic compounds occur in nature. These are medicinally useful. The halogen containing organic compounds occur in nature. Naturally बहुत सारा मिल रहा है वो medicinally useful है. What are they? The first example is chloromycetin. Chloromycetin or chloramphenicol. The chloromycetin and chloramphenicol both are having halogen. That means these are also halogen containing organic compounds like haloalkanes. The chloromycetin and chloramphenicol, these are obtained by soil microorganisms. Microorganisms से इसको obtain कर रहे हैं. These are obtained by soil microorganisms. These medicines are effectively useful. The controlling of typhoid. These medicines are useful. The treatment of typhoid. Typhoid fever के लिए ये medicine को use करेंगे. ये medicines में halogens present है. That means halogens containing organic compounds. The second example is thyroxine. Thyroxine. Already you know about the thyroxine. What is thyroxine? The thyroxine is iodine containing hormone. This thyroxine is secreted by the gland called thyroid. This thyroid gland is located on our neck. This thyroid gland is secretes thyroxine. This thyroxine having iodine. This thyroxine having iodine. This is also one of the halogen containing organic compounds. Deficiency of iodine in our body causes to goiter. Already you know very well what is the goiter. GOITR, goiter disease. The deficiency, that means iodine हमारा body में कमी होगा तो goiter disease आने का संभावना है. The deficiency of iodine causes goiter. These are the naturally occurring halogen containing organic compounds, chloromycetin and chloramphenicol. The chloromycetin and chloramphenicol is obtained by soil microorganism. It is very effective, useful for treatment of typhoid fever. The next one is thyroxine. Already you know what is the thyroxine. The thyroxine is one of the iodine containing hormone which is secreted by the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is located on our neck. The deficiency of iodine causes goiter in our body. Okay, clear? These are the natural occurring halogen containing medicines. And some of the medicines, some of the halogen containing organic compounds synthetically available. These are very useful are in medical care and medicines. They are, one is chloroquine. You have listened about the chloroquine. This chloroquine is one of the medicines which belongs to halogen containing organic compounds. This chloroquine is used for treatment of malaria fever. This chloroquine is used for treatment of malaria fever. Nowadays you are listening about the chloroquine, hydroxychloroquine. Hydroxychloroquine. Hydroxychloroquine nowadays used for controlling of corona disease also, COVID-19 disease also, hydroxychloroquine. That means this one is also halogen containing organic compounds. Okay. The next one is halothane. This medicine is the halothane is the anesthetic agent. Anesthetic agent. Halothane is the anesthetic agent. Anesthetic means anesthesia कब देते हैं हम लोग को? अगर during operation, during surgery time. That means the halothane is the anesthetic agent which is used in during surgery. Okay. Next one. Haloxaethane. Haloxaethane. This is also one of the medicine, one of the chemical which is belongs to halogen containing organic compound. This one is used as a artificial camphor. आर्टिफिशियल कैम्फर तैयारी करने में इसको यूज करते हैं. These are the halogen containing organic compound. Chloroquine, which is used for treatment of malaria, and hydroxychloroquine, which is used for treatment of COVID-19 disease. Next, halothane. This is one of the anesthetic agent which is used during the surgical time. Next, halothane. Halothane is also one of the halogen containing organic compound which is used as a artificial compound. Some more artificial or synthetical chemicals are there which belongs to halogen containing organic compound which are extensively used in agriculture and industry. These are the uses of halogen containing organic compounds. Clear? Okay, write it. The third point, as for introduction is over, uses is over. The third one is classification of halogen compounds. Classification of halogen compounds. The halogen compounds broadly classified into two categories. One is aliphatic halogen compounds. Students, please note down. Second one is aromatic halogen compounds. The halogen compounds can be classified into two groups. One is aliphatic halogen compounds, another one is aromatic halogen compounds. First of all, we have to know what is aliphatic, what is aromatic. Already you know very well. We have discussed in class 11 what is aliphatic, what is aromatic. Once more, we repeat it. Aliphatic. What is aliphatic? Already you know carbon compounds and hydrocarbons. The carbon compounds which containing in chain, like this. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Tell me, what is the name of this compound? How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. If 4 carbons are there, that is known as a bute. That means this one is a butane. Okay? This butane, this structural formula, that means this condensed formula, is look like in a chain का तरह है, इसलिए इसको कहते हैं aliphatic. Clear? That means the carbon compound which containing straight chain or branched chain is known as aliphatic hydrocompounds. For example, one more, CH3, CH2, CH3, branch CH3. This is also isobutane. This is also isobutane. This one is the N-butane. N-butane, isobutane. That means this is look like in a chain. This one is look like as a branch. Both are belongs to aliphatic. That means the carbon compound which containing chain or branch is called aliphatic. Clear? Aliphatic. These are aliphatic carbon compounds. If these compounds in case having any halogen like this. Any halogens like this, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. One hydrogen इधर डिलीट होगी, उनका प्लेस में अगर Cl अगर लग जाएगा तो Cl means के halogen. This is the aliphatic halogen compounds. Clear? This is known as aliphatic halogen. Why? Because aliphatic. This is look like in a chain, and as like as halogen is also present in this formula. That's why it is best example of aliphatic halogen compounds. Clear? Aliphatic. Okay. Next, aromatic. What is aromatics? Aliphatics, in case the carbon compounds look like in a chain or branch, it is called as aliphatic. If the carbon compounds join in a ring, like this, joined in a ring. This is a ring. The carbon compounds join in a ring and having alternate bonds, is known as aromatics. Clear? Aromatics means क्या? The carbon compounds which joined in a ring and having alternate double bonds is known as a aromatics. Best example, benzene. Aromatics. The formula of the benzene CH6H6. Okay? Each corner having carbon. Students, already you know very well what is aliphatic and what is aromatics. Okay? Now, aliphatic halogen compounds. Aliphatic halogen compounds What is aliphatic halogen compounds? The aliphatic carbon compounds which containing halogen is known as aliphatic halogen compounds. The aliphatic carbon compounds which containing any halogens is known as aliphatic halogen compounds. For example, this is the aliphatic CH3, CH2, CH3. Name of this formula, propane. This is look like in a chain. That's what is a aliphatic carbon compounds. In case this carbon compounds having any halogen, then only it can called as a aliphatic halogen compounds. For example, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. These are aliphatic halogen compounds. Why? Because structural formula 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, hydrogens, number of hydrogens. This one is the chlorine. This is the name of this carbon compounds, chloropropane. Chloropropane, aliphatic halogen compounds. Why? Because that means before that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hydrogens is there. The formula, molecular formula of this compound C3H8. C3H8 propane. This is the aliphatic hydrocarbon. Okay. If the hydrogen atom, one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by the equal number of halogen atoms to form a aliphatic halogen compounds. For example, hydrogen का प्लेस में chlorine attach हो गया, hydrogen delete होके chlorine attach हो गया, then it is called as a aliphatic halogen compounds. Why? Because halogen is present in this aliphatic hydrocarbon. That's why it is known as a aliphatic halogen compounds. Clear? As like as already you know methane, ethane, C2H6. These are also aliphatic hydrocarbons. In these carbons, in case any halogens are attached in these molecules, it will be formed as a CH3, Cl chloromethane, and CH3, CH2, Br bromoethane. These are the aliphatic halogen compounds. Clear? Aliphatic halogen compounds. That means the aliphatic carbon compounds which contain any halogens atom, which is known as a aliphatic halogen compounds. Clear? Now, these aliphatic halogen compounds can be classified into three categories on the nature of halogen compounds. Further classified, these aliphatic halogen compounds further classified in three categories. One is haloalkanes, second one is haloalkenes, third one is haloalkynes. Okay, what are haloalkanes, what are haloalkenes, and what are haloalkynes? Haloalkanes means the halogen derivatives of alkanes here are known as haloalkanes. The halogen derivatives of alkanes are known as haloalkanes. That means these haloalkanes are derived from alkanes. That's why it is known as a haloalkanes. The definition: the halogen derivatives of alkanes are known as haloalkenes. Clear? The halogen derivatives of alkenes are known as haloalkenes. That means the haloalkenes are derived from alkanes. The general formula of the alkanes, you know, the general formula of a haloalkane CnH2n plus 1 into X. This is the general formula of the haloalkanes. Normal alkanes formula CnH2n plus 2. But haloalkanes में इधर एक हैलोजन अटैच होता है एक हाइड्रोजन का प्लेस में, इसलिए एक हाइड्रोजन कम हो गया, इसलिए 2n plus 2 का जगह में 2n plus 1. Clear? The number of carbon atoms are, if we apply, for example, C2 H2 into 2 plus 1 into bromine. So you go C2 2 to 4 plus 5 C2H5 Br. Okay, bromoethane or ethyl bromide. These are the haloalkanes. What are the haloalkanes? The halogen derivatives of alkanes are known as haloalkanes. That means these haloalkanes are derived from alkanes. The general formula of the haloalkanes CnH2n plus 1 into X. According to this formula, we can get the formula bromoethane. Next examples are chloromethane, CH3, chloromethane, and C2H5F, fluoroethane. These are the haloalkanes. Clear? Haloalkanes. These haloalkanes are obtained one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by hydrogen atoms to form a haloalkanes. Okay, these haloalkanes are obtained by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms of aliphatic hydrocarbon by the equal number of halogen atoms to form a haloalkanes. For example, carbon, hydrogens. This is the structural formula of the propane. One hydrogen भी डिलेट हो सकता है, 2 हाइड्रोजन्स भी डिलेट हो सकता है. इसलिए one or more hydrogen atoms of aliphatic hydrocarbon replaced by equal number of halogen atoms. classify equal number of halogen atoms to form a haloalkanes. Now this formula CH3, CH2, CH and Cl2, dichloropropane. These are the haloalkanes. Clear? Have you understood haloalkanes? Okay. Write on it. Students, these haloalkanes further classified into 4 categories on the basis of number of halogen atoms present on the alkanes. Okay, these haloalkanes further classified into 4 categories. One is monohaloalkanes, second one is dihaloalkanes, third one is trihaloalkanes, fourth one is tetrahaloalkanes. The haloalkanes are classified into 4 categories on the basis of number of halogen atoms present on alkanes. The first one is monohaloalkanes, second one is dihaloalkanes, third one is trihaloalkanes, fourth one is tetrahaloalkanes. For example, this is the formula of methane. This is the formula of methane. Okay? One hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen atom. One hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen atom. Then this is called as a monohaloalkanes. That means if one halogen is present, that is a monohaloalkanes. If 2 halogens are present, that is known as a dihaloalkanes. For example, 1 chlorine, 2 chlorine, the remaining hydrogen. That means in this compound 2 halogens are there. In this compound 1 halogen is there. If 1 halogen is present on the aliphatic carbon compound, that is known as a monohaloalkanes. The name of this compound is chloromethane. Chloromethane or methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. When 2 halogens are present, which is known as a dihaloalkanes, the name of this compound is dichloromethane. Dichloromethane. Okay. Next, 3 halogens: carbon, hydrogen, chlorine, chlorine, chlorine. When 3 halogens are present, that is known as a trihaloalkanes. The name of this compound trichloromethane or chloroform. If 4 halogens are present, chlorine, 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 chlorine. 4 halogens are present. This is known as a tetrahaloalkanes. The name of this compound tetrachloromethane or carbon tetrachlorides. Clear? That means the haloalkanes can be classified into 4 categories on the basis of number of halogen atom present on the aliphatic carbon compounds. First one is monohaloalkanes. If 1 chlorine is present, monohaloalkane. If 2 chlorines, 2 halogens are present, dihaloalkanes. If 3 halogens are present, trihaloalkanes. If 4 halogens are present, tetrahaloalkanes. Clear? Okay. Write down, please. The next, another important point here, the haloalkanes, especially the haloalkanes, that means especially the monohaloalkanes are known as alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. This alkyl halide is the common name of haloalkanes. The alkyl halide is the common name of the haloalkanes. Clear? Okay. Next, haloalkenes. What are haloalkenes? The halogen derivatives of alkenes. The halogen derivatives of alkenes is known as haloalkenes. You know what are alkenes? That means कार्बन कार्बन का बीच में अगर डबल बॉन्ड रहेगा तो उनको कहते हैं alkenes. That means these haloalkenes are derived from alkenes. That's why the haloalkenes, the halogen derivatives of alkenes are known as haloalkenes. The general form of the haloalkane CnH2n minus 1 into X. This is the general formula of the haloalkenes. The haloalkanes, the common name of the haloalkenes have alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. This is the common name of the haloalkenes. The general formula of the haloalkenes CnH2n minus 1. For example, if we apply the carbon molecule and carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms, for example, 2 carbon atoms are there, C2H2 into 2 minus 1, X stands for halogen, any halogen. For example, chlorine, C2H3Cl. That means chloroethane. Name of this compound, chloroethane. Chloroethane or vinyl chlorides. Vinyl chloride. Clear?